What is the role of a property tax assessor? Have you ever wondered who determines the value of your property for tax purposes? The answer lies with the property tax assessor. This local government official plays a key role in the property tax system. Their main job is to figure out how much real and personal property is worth within a specific area. This process is essential for ensuring that taxes are applied fairly and accurately. One of the first tasks of a property tax assessor is discovering all taxable properties. They do this by looking at public records, inspecting properties, and checking building permits. This helps them identify which properties should be taxed. Once they have a complete list, they move on to the next step. Next, assessors list these properties. They describe each property and record its physical location. This information is linked to the current owners to keep assessment records up to date. Accurate records are important because they help avoid confusion when it comes time to pay taxes. Classifying properties is another important responsibility. Assessors categorize properties based on their use or type. This classification affects how the property is valued and what tax rate applies. For example, residential properties may be assessed differently than commercial properties. Valuing properties is a critical part of the assessor's job. They appraise properties to determine their market value using approved methods. This ensures that assessments are fair and equitable. Assessors also inspect new construction and major improvements to keep property records current. Additionally, property tax assessors administer exemptions. These exemptions may apply to seniors, veterans, agricultural properties, and businesses. By managing these exemptions, assessors help reduce the tax burden for eligible property owners. When property owners have questions about their assessments, assessors handle appeals. They explain how valuations were determined and may present evidence at public hearings. This transparency helps build trust between assessors and the community. Maintaining accurate records is vital for property transfers, ownership changes, and boundary adjustments. Assessors use specialized software to manage this data and ensure compliance with local laws. The work of a property tax assessor is essential for calculating property taxes, which fund local services. Accurate assessments help distribute tax burdens fairly among property owners. While assessors set the assessed value, local governing bodies establish the actual tax rates. In summary, property tax assessors play a vital role in the property tax system. Their objective valuations support fair taxation and help fund local government services. Understanding their responsibilities can help property owners navigate the tax process with confidence.